Great. So my data levels, it should be always there. Position we have seen. Now values. That time, why my values was coming as 000. You guys remember?
Mm-hmm.
Because I have copied this thing. Let me show again by sharing this. I have copied this. Okay. So in process of doing that, instead of vendors, what I have done country, and instead of value, again I have take the country here. Correct. This part is same, and I will show values percent of grand total. Now can you see here it is coming as 14, 12, 10, 8, but here is millions.
Mm.
This happened because of my data level. In data
Okay.
level, we have seen the series position. Now values. We will come into values part. If you see here, display your units, it's in where?
Millions.
Millions. So
Mm.
that's why it will come as 000. If I
Mm.
say display unit as auto,
Mm.
it will come as this. But
Properly.
yes, but we have so much of points. Always remember, we try to avoid points unless our business requires it.
Yeah.
We
So you're
always try
talking about.
to.
Yeah. So you were
We,
talking about the like 13.662 instead of that it should be 14%. Correct.
14%. Yeah. How to do that? You see here value decimal places. If I put it as 0,
Mm.
if I put
Yes.
it
Sir.
as 1, if I put it as 3,
Okay. Okay.
okay, or we always put it in 0.
Zero.
Data level done. Now, what is background? In some times, we have to add background.
Mm.
In sometimes. Can you see there is a hint of if I play to take black color,
Mm.
it's looking like this.
Mm.
If I transparency like this, yeah, we have to always transparency should be high in this scenario.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So when we do the design,
Okay.
there we can do everything like this. Okay. Now, so we have created one graph end to end. Now another thing we have to do this percent GT count of country by country. Is it looking good? No, right?
Mm.
So what should be the
No,
title here?
GD count.
Any guess? Any
Country
guess?
by
What should
percentage.
right? Country by percentage, but more think of as you are what you are trying to show here. Think in that perspective.
Okay. So we can write here uh, uh, um, countries values or something. Let me
Can
just
we write contribution of countries?
contribution of countries. Yeah, yeah, good, good.
Yes, we can
Contribution
write.
of countries.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now there is background color. Can we add some background color? Let us check. It is coming like this. Is it looking good? No, right? Or
No.
yes,
No.
it is not looking good. No, still no. Slight shade is there, but
Somewhat.
no. Somewhat shade is there, but no. So we will background color no fill. Okay. So our countries question is answered. Country contribution of countries. Correct. Now, what can we ask about our data? Fulfillment via. Let us check what is there. Okay, two is there, and Incoterms shipping mode. Okay, so we can check the contribution of shipping mode. Great, great guys. Contribution of shipping mode.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
We will take this as pie chart. Okay. Legend. In pie chart, there is legend, values, details, tooltips. Okay. These are the field under build visual. So what I will do, I will in legend, you know what is legend, right? In previous classes, we have seen the legend.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, if
I
you
actually
remember.
forgot. No,
Okay,
I
okay.
forgot.
We will see what is legend now. Legend is something like if I take here, take this value, okay. So H E, okay. There is you guys are there. Person 7% is there. Someone is H and someone is E. Legend will be this. Is this? Suppose someone is male, someone is female. Male, male, female, male, female. 7% is there, and male female is also there. Correct. So this male female can be your legend. Like under this person on 7%, how many are male? How many are female?
Family figure. Okay, got it.
Okay. Similarly, this contribution of countries, there is one legend. What we can do, we can, if I click on manage by, suppose if I click on manage by and put it on legend, what happens? This becomes legend, color gets changed, but it is not giving us the clear picture. Suppose I took like fulfill via. It is giving some. It is giving some insight. Some insight like in South Africa, everything is direct dropped. In Nigeria, one is from RDC and rest is from direct drop.
Okay.
Okay. In Zambia, direct drop and from RDC is there. So can we say apart from South Africa, from this visual, apart from this South Africa, very few countries are their from RDC is high, then their direct drop. From this visual, we can derive that, right? So this legend, okay. So this legend is something
अरे
that
ब्लू कलर लाइन क्या हो लेजेंड
देखो,
का
legend
No,
देखो.
direct drop.
Okay, we can change the color as well. There, see, legend is there, so we can change the color. Top center, left stacked. We can change the position, left. Okay, so let me check the how to change the color. Okay, I think it's in bar. See, direct drop. We can give it as this. Now it is coming. Now it is distinctive. Direct drop and from RDC. Direct drop means the RDC from RDC means I think it is a hub or it is a warehouse. Direct drop means direct. It is going from the going from manufacturer or vendor to the country. From RDC means I think US has some sort of warehouse. From this warehouse, they are deploying it. But this is not a good thing to show because my visual it is coming good, but you cannot derive anything from here,
Mm-hmm.
right? You cannot derive anything from here. Am I making any sense?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
You should learn something from this, but it is not giving us some very valuable information.
Correct, correct,
Okay.
sir.
Absolutely.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. So what I will do, I will remove this legend. So legend we can try and we can play. Later on we will see. Now in pie chart, same legend working here. Here also it should work. So what we were looking into, we were looking into this fulfill via, sorry, not fulfill via, this manage by. Okay, we will check this manage by and we will check the shipment. Now always remember when to use pie chart and when to use this donut chart is there. Okay,
Yes.
pie chart and donut chart, they will give you your visualization meaning when you use a little contributor. Now what I mean by little contributor, here you can see the type of category, the type of data. How many countries are there? There are so many countries.
Yeah.
If I use this same scenario here, let us see what it is happen. Is it looking good?
No.
It's looking very, it's
Very
looking
Complicated.
cluttered, right? Complicated.
Complicated. Yeah.
But here
somewhat
it is
complicated.
yeah,
Mm.
but here it is looking very good.
Mm. Correct.
It is looking nice.
Yeah.
So let us try with this fulfill via, not fulfill via, that is my managed by. Ah, now it is coming somewhat good, but again the PMO US it is coming as a dominant. That
Mm.
is 99.443.
Mm. Like PMO US is having more.
Yes, more
Yes.
more
Like.
contribution.
Mm.
Here you can see this is 10,000 lines is from PMO US.
65. Correct.
So not much of our not much of you know information from here. Now what if we check the shipping mode? Ah, now it is giving us
Some insight.
uh,
Yeah.
some insight. What is
Yeah.
the insight? We will check. So these are the legends. What are my legends? Air,
Mm.
truck, air charter, ocean not available. But somehow I am reading this. I am having difficulty in reading this.
Mm.
Let's see what can we do in our format. Legend it is there, correct. Slices, the color of slices. We can change the color here.
Mm.
For now, we will not use. Detail label. Okay, nice. It is interesting. What is that? Position outside. Okay, there is something called inside. Oh, inside is there. There is something prefer outside. That is mean the outside. Anytime it will prefer inside. We will take outside. Now in outside,
It's
okay,
looking outside, looking very.
yeah. Now also we can see the values is there, and also label content. What is this category? Oh, can you see category? Once we did this category, it is showing us only the things. This is air, this is truck, this is air charter, this is also not available.
Hmm.
From this visual, we can understand this top one is air, second one is truck, but we don't know their contribution, data value. Now it is showing only data value,
Hmm.
not understanding. Percent of grand total. Now only we can see the percent of grand total. Category data value. Okay, category data value means air is there, and beside that, there the count. Not helpful. Category percent total. Now somewhat it is helpful. Now somewhat it is helpful. So we have given the truck beside their percentage. Correct. Correct. But here also we have seen the shipment mode legend is on. So I don't need legend,
Hmm.
because this visual is itself giving me the result that I am expecting. I know what is the slice meaning, that is air. I know what is the percentage of air.
Hmm. Hmm.
Now, value, as I have mentioned earlier, we only want whole number. Now I will check if I can do the whole number. Yes. So out of everything, my air contributes up to
59%.
59%. Truck contributes into 27%, air charter, ocean, and followed by not available.
Moreover, that fractions, it's coming under like round off, right?
Yes, round
If
off. We always do round off.
okay, sir, got it.
What is this rotation? Ah, not looking nice.
Hmm.
Now it is looking good, right?
Yeah.
I will do the format painting here. Let us see what is happening. What happened? Everything looks same, but our legend has popped up. This sort of things might happen. Might happen. Okay. Now count shipment mode. This is not my title is not looking nice. I will see. Uh,
Shipment count by percentage.
shipment percentage. One thing an analyst or associate always have to say that the title should be very minimal and very clear.
Correct.
Shipment percentage, it gives us the clear picture that which shipment is there and what is their percentage.
Hmm.
Correct.
Yeah.
Great. Three questions. Let us see. Okay. Another thing we can do. That is vendor Incoterm. Let us check. Incoterm, we will check Incoterm. Where it is Vanguard Incoterm.
What is that, Saurabh? Can you expand that?
Yeah, yeah. I'm also not getting what is encoder.
Incoterm, it is something where, just a second. Okay. Incoterm, it is something we use while doing the international shipping or shipment. Okay, I think Amlan in last class when Incoterm came, he did tell us.
Mhm.
Incoterm, it is something maybe Wajahat knows. Wajahat, have you seen this term FCA?
It is there on that purchase order.
Yeah. Don't mention which company or which are what are things you are doing. Okay, it will be compliance issue.
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
FCA, it is there. GDP, it is there. EXW, it is there. NA from W, from RDC, it is there. So Incoterms we use in CRM software. There are many CRM software is there, or material management software is there. Have you heard about SAP?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
SAP is there. Oracle is there. Many this kind of software is there where while issuing purchase order in a supply chain scenario, we have to mention the Incoterms. Incoterms is used while doing the invoicing, while doing the purchasing, or while creating the sales order. Because lot of international regulations are there. So if everything is automated, when you do the Incoterms, there might be something that sometimes there will be tax, sometimes there will not be tax. Something is going by ship or ocean, their Incoterm will be different, and from air their Incoterm will be different. Interesting topic. Now let us check the what is the relationship between Incoterms and the uh, the mode of transport. So first of all, we use the shipment mode and we use the Incoterms. Okay. Can you see for air every a lot of everything is used from air charter EXW is used for ocean
Yes.
DDP EXW FCA NF from RDC is used truck DAP DDU EXU NF from RDC is used,
Mhm.
right?
Yep.
So Incoterms we can use everywhere. And this NA from RDC, I will remove this because RDC it is something that we should not be using because everywhere it is coming as a default value where everything is very our data it is taking it is not giving us the real picture because we in our distribution, as we have mentioned in earlier thing, the RDC it is working as some kind of outlier, but we cannot justify this. We will see later. I will select this is the filtering pane. Okay, in this filter pane, one is filters on this visual. We will work always here. We will not work case here in here. Filter on this page, filter on all pages. This is the best practice. I have selected everything and I will remove this. Now it is looking somewhat clear. Now, why I have removed this NA from RDC? because NA from
NA is
RDC, NA means not available from RDC. RDC, as we know, it is some kind of warehouse, and it is taking our data, it is taking our distribution towards itself. So NA in RDC, this is no any, this is not any valid Incoterm. This is just a name that they have given because they don't use RDC. Why? RDC is some sort of warehouse where directly medicine from there it is going. Okay.
Mhm.
So we have also given another answer that Incoterm term contribution. I think we have one thing. Delivered to client date, delivery, recorded date, and scheduled delivery date. Hmm. Can we check the difference? Yes. This would be our, very much, what can I say? This could be our delivery. This could be our one meaningful insight, correct? This delivery to client date and scheduled shipment delivery date. Now, one thing we can do it is from this data set. How to do that in this data set? That is the difference between scheduled and promised. Correct? This part
Yes.
clear, guys? So another question: difference in delivery. This is a good header. Difference in delivery. How to do that? कैसे निकालेंगे हम लोग difference in delivery? How will we get that? We will get that one simple term by simple term. That is, we will minus our delivery date from which date? From the scheduled one. Correct? Suppose
Yeah.
Amazon has given me Amazon today is what, 9th. So Amazon has given me a scheduled delivery date by Saturday. Correct? Now Amazon has delivered me at where? Suppose in 9th.
9.
What is
So
the
difference
how many days he late? How many days
7 days.
Amazon has? 7 days. How you have done it?
There's difference from scheduled date and
9.
shipment date.
Yeah. So 9 minus 1, 8 days
correct.
difference.
Yeah,
Okay.
Correct. So
yeah.
in Excel, how we do that? We do that by
Days.
days. Okay. End date. What
Start
would be
date,
the end date? End
shipment date,
date would be the delivery
delivery
date,
date.
and the start date would be the scheduled delivery date. 0.
Okay. 0.
0 means there is no late delivery.
No, like like suppose
Exactly
what
that.
what was
Delivery.
the delivery expected date and the shipment date both are same.
Both are
Same
same.
same
Okay.
day,
Yeah.
same day it was delivered.
Okay. See, there is minus means they they have delivered before their promise date.
Okay.
How
They
how
have
how is that
delivered.
how is that possible?
Yeah, how is that possible? Good question. How is that possible? Sometimes,
Exceptional.
yeah, sometimes what happen is that we can see this in data itself. PO sent to vendor. Majority these are date not captured. Okay, so there is some mismatches there. Date not captured, and something is from RDC. RDC वाले में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है एंड डेट नॉट कैप्चर्ड. ठीक है, कुछ कुछ में डेट कैप्चर्ड है. 11 को पीयू सेंड किया और डिलीवरी हो गया यहाँ को भी. एक साल पहले का डिलीवरी एक साल पहले आ गया.
Okay.
Okay, sometimes it happens and we will ignore these instances where we can where we can concentrate on the positive ones.
Hmm.
Now,
So I
yeah,
think we have to sort it, right?
yes, we have to sort by largest to smallest. Let us check what happens.
Yes, yes, correct.
192. Oh my God. 192.
So it's a 192 days, right?
Yes, 192 days. See, scheduled delivery date August in 2010. They have given it on 4th March
March. Hmm.
11. Hmm. This is a good point, correct? We
Yeah.
can, from this, we can derive many things. One is that we can derive which vendors, correct? Which
Okay.
countries. Next, what else? Guys, help me out here. Think in
Which
your common
vendor,
sense.
which countries,
On
and
time delivery.
See, on time delivery, we are not concentrating because any which ways it is going good. Okay, and beforehand delivery, we also not, we also will not see why, because those are the optimal processes. जिसका डिलीवरी टाइम पे हो गया और जो डिलीवरी टाइम के पहले डिलीवरी दे रहा है, those are optimal processes. Am I correct? There is no issue there,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir. You need to
Where
report
issue
it.
is there? Where issue is there? When there is a
which
difference in delivery. And once you know this difference in delivery from this data, you have to derive some insight, like why it is happening. Why my delivery is late? This is a very critical question. Why my delivery is late? You don't know about the process, you don't know about anything else. They just give you this data and they ask you this question. How this they don't ask you. You have asked yourself this question. Like why my delivery is late. Now
yeah,
to answer this, we have to analyze everything. How we are analyzing? We have to check which vendors are giving my late delivery, because late delivery matlab kya? Matlab you always, if something comes late from Swiggy, whom do you curse? You curse the restaurant, correct? The first one.
Yeah.
The second one is
Delivery.
the logistical guys. So
Yeah.
let us take the logistical shipment fulfillment.
And fourth, we actually can add from which
Uh-huh.
manufacturers.
Correct.
It's like vendor.
Manufacturing side.
Vendor
Fact-
also sounds like.
Yeah, vendors I have
Yeah.
written it down. Which manufacturers? Correct.
Correct.
Ismail, are you there?
Yes, sort of. My voice is not audible.
Yeah. Your voice now comes. Wajahat,
Yes, sir.
And
please help me out.
which like item, item we actually can write.
Correct. Which item? Very good insight. Which items are getting
Hmm.
now? We can add also which brands.
Which brands, correct.
Mhm,
Which brands? Is there any issue in packaging size also? Because some of them are giving in bottle, some of them are giving in capsule
Box of
format, right? So we have to understand the packaging because a manufacturer gets thing also delayed by the raw material or the packaging size. Sometimes what happens that they have their packages are different, they cannot do everything in house. They order the packaging material to different companies, and those companies provide, and only they can give the packaging done. What else? Let us see the data.
sort of type of order we can take, no? Like DS, drop ship, direct drop.
Okay, what you are saying? Type of? Tell me.
Uh, Type of order.
Type of order. Let us write type of order. That means what do you mean to say? Please explain.
Like
What type of order?
uh, like it's direct drop ship or it's a standard order like that.
Okay. Okay, type of order we will see. What type of order? Shipment board, shipment. This is the product board,
Fulfill column.
fulfill column. Okay, direct drop or RDC. See here only we have two. Okay, so I guess we will have problem in both of this. Okay, so we have only two, but we have to know like if we have more data, then we could understand that okay, under one thing only we are getting this problem. Okay, can we include this molecule and test type?
Those.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes.
Molecule and test type. Molecule and test type. Molecule and test type. Great. Weight capture. Freight cost. Manufacturing side. Yes. First line. Yes. Unit prices.
Sort
Then
of that
price.
dosage also we can take.
Dosage, yes, great, good. Dosage also we can check.
Sort of dosage, will it contribute in delaying the delivery? I mean, I don't think so. What's your view? Sort of? Jack? Sort of, Bajaj? Hey, Bajaj,
हाँ बोल.
आवाज आ रही है मेरी?
आ रही. रुक आ रही.
रुक रुक को आ रही है.
Hello, Smile. Are you there?
या, आवाज आ रही मेरी अब?
रुक रही कहीं होगी यार.
हम्म. सौरभ गया नहीं? बजाज?
Hello, Smile.
हम्म.
आवाज नहीं आ
सौरभ
रही.
गया नहीं मामा?
हाँ. Hello.
बोल बोल बोल. Saurav is back.
Hi, hello.
Hi Saurav.
Hi, hi.
Hi.
So, yeah. So, can you see my screen? If yes, please tell me.
Nope.
Can you now?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So, how
Saurav,
many of
can
you are?
dosage will contribute in delaying the delivery? I don't think so. Like, what's your view? I mean,
Tell me why won't be that much of issue.
its dosage is quantity of like I mean the uh, order, right? So I don't think
No,
so. It will contribute.
quantity of the order is the here. Unit of not quantity. Let me check. Quantity. What is the line item?
Unit of measure
Value
per
line
pack.
item. Yeah, yeah. This is the line item quantity. Okay.
Okay.
This is the line item quantity. It is up to. Oh my god.
Dosage and dosage form.
So dosage form is like how it is giving us. What is the
Yeah.
150 by 300, 150 by 600? That is the. These are the molecules.
Mm-hmm.
One tablet is not only made of one thing.
Yes. Yes.
We know, yeah, we know that today one tablet that is pentoplasma DSR. Have you heard about this?
No, Saurav.
This DSR, it's a tablet for gas. It is having three molecules. So we can say this thing, this 150 by 300 plus 600 mg, these are
Mm.
those molecules maybe. And dosage form is what type of dose it is this? Capsule, chewable, chewable desirable, delayed release capsule, injection, tablet, FDC, test kit. So dosage we don't know yet whether dosage can be or not, but we have to see every possibilities.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we have to see every possibilities. So I must tell you, who else are practicing alongside with me?
Alongside
Has
with you,
anyone tried? Johnny, have you tried alongside with me?
No, when like so not
So
now. I actually shown you yesterday, right?
yeah.
Yeah, that time I
So
was actually tried. Yeah.
so you try to in class you try to when wherever I am doing something you try to replicate this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so
Correct.
it will give you some kind of memory, muscle memory.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
And
so
even
we
the
will.
doubts will get more like sort of when we explore hands-on. I mean, at a time.
Hmm. But for that, I think we would not need some gap between that.
Yeah, he should go a bit slower, like that.
Yes.
Saurabh, are you there, pa?
Ismail, that Power BI application.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look, that need to install.
क्या बोला? Saurabh, we are
Power BI
not
application
audible.
इंस्टॉल करना है क्या?
कर ले. कहीं को नहीं कर रहा फिर किसका वेट कर रहा?
तू कर लिया क्या?
कर लिया मैं.
ठीक है. Again, I think some network issue.
Hello, can you see my screen?
Yeah, Saurabh. I mean, not
No, no,
screen,
no.
bit audible.
Okay, so I'm just
We can.
yeah. Today morning, I don't know why the net is acting weird in my end. Okay, so this thing we want to do this thing, but I don't want this in my Excel, this line item difference, because I told you previously that I want everything to be dynamic. Okay, so
How we can do
how
it?
we will do it in this Power BI.
Okay.
Okay, so what I will do, I will click on this transform data. Where
Okay.
I will click on this transform data.
Uh,
Yeah. Now I have went to this. Wait. Here we will add another column. So this is the your first lesson into Power Query. Add column. Okay. So add column, there is couple of things. Column from example, custom column, invoke custom function, conditional column, index column, duplicate column. So we will see what is invoke custom
Custom
function.
function.
Okay, so custom function, this we will name it as uh, we will name it as difference in daily daily query. Coming something? No, it is not coming something. Forget it. Query function query is not coming, so I will not use it. Now, how can I say custom column? Yeah, I think custom column might be a thing. Okay, okay. So let us check the difference difference in daily query. Okay. So first of all, what I will check, I will check the delivery delivered to client date.
Saurabh, I am sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Is there any? So you are recording it, the like so I think that will be help. Suppose if we are practicing after the class, all right. So that will be help to us. Okay, so we actually can record this actually says and suppose if like we are having any issues, we actually can find out from this video.
Okay. So Amlan and Samrat, can you help with this?
I think it was not recorded. So whenever we are starting the class, we should record one of from us.
Amran and Samrat, guys, can you hear me?
Do you have any recording option? Can you just see Saurabh?
Yeah, actually, in here we don't have. So
Okay,
I'm
recording
just
option you don't have.
asking. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Asking. I think Amlan and Samrat, both of those guys have some functionality.
So can you start from Teams? I think Teams. Suppose if you are
Yeah,
starting
I know,
from
I know,
Teams,
I know. Yeah, I know. In Teams we have.
yeah.
So just let me
So
check.
can you download the Teams, and if you can record, I think it will be great because the thing is, in the same time practicing, I think it will be